PFM Breaking News. Join us for an exclusive live session with the remarkable Dr. Tony Osaigbovo Iyoha, the esteemed former Chief of Staff to Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State. Tune in at 12 p.m. Texas, Chicago, United States, Central Time on February 21st, 2025, as Mega Comrade Clement Ironamigo Idegbi hosts this insightful discussion at the PFM Situation Room in Texas, United States. Please share, notify friends and family to watch with you. Brace yourself as Bovo prepares to unveil the truth. No stone will be left unturned, and no secret spared. Get ready for an electrifying discourse. Share with your friends and family to watch with you, and don't forget to share my Facebook page, and subscribe to YouTube channels.
God have mercy upon us.